Today topic is practice of capital letter A to Z. आज हम कैपिटल लेटर की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. आर यू रेडी?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Okay, Arav. Mama will dictate you letters and you have to write. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Write letter H.
Is
H. Ha.
hen.
Hen. Letter H. Sound of letter H is
Ha. Ha.
ha. Okay. Very good. Write letter F.
F.
F. F sound is
For fish.
fish. For fish. For fan. For frog. Okay. Now next letter is S.
S.
S. S. Letter
S.
S. S sound is
Sun.
sun. School.
Snake.
Snake. Spoon. Okay. Now write letter
P.
No. Write letter G.
No, I don't write P.
Okay. Write letter P.
Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Papa.
Pigeon. Penguin. Okay. Papa pencil. Papa
Pen.
pen. Now write letter G.
G.
G sound is goat.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Very good.
Like this and like this.
Very good.
Simple.
Now letter I. I sound is
E.
Insect. Ink. Very good. Igloo. Okay. Now write letter T. T.
Or like this. Simple.
Very good. Tiger.
Turn.
Turn. Tortoise. Telephone. Okay. Now write letter A. Yes. Letter A. A sound is A. A sound is A. Apple.
Alligator.
Alligator.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. Very good. Now write letter U. U sound is of umbrella. U is for umbrella.
Not for the unicorn.
Yes. Okay. Umbrella. Now write letter B. B sound is
Ball.
Banana. Bell. Bear. Very good. Now next letter is V. Van. Vase. Okay. Now write letter D. D sound is D.
Wait. Dog.
Dino. Duck. Drum. Okay. Now next letter is M. Monkey.
Milk.
Milk. Mirror. mug. Okay. Now right letter A.
O.
Yes. O sound is
O.
orange. Owl. Okay. Now next letter is W. Wa. Watermelon.
We can make two children line.
Yes.
Then make here two.
Water. Watermelon. Now next letter is C. Letter C. Cat.
Cat.
Cat. Caterpillar. Okay. Cake.
E.
Now next letter is R. R. R is for
Rabbit.
Rainbow. Rainbow. Rat. Okay.
Rat means
Mouse. Chuha. Okay.
we trap.
Yes. Now next letter is E. Letter E. Right letter E.
E. Capital.
Yes, we are writing capital letter.
After that, big
E sound is
A.
Elephant. Egg. Okay. Now write letter Y.
Y.
Y sound is
Ear.
Yogurt. Yellow. Yarn. Yak. Okay. Now next letter is zebra. Zebra. Okay. Zero. Zoo. Now next letter is J. J sound is J. Jelly. Jam. Okay. Next letter is N. Nose. Right letter N. Nose. Nose. Now neck. Neck. Okay. Next letter is O. Okay, O is done. Now right letter L. L sound is
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Lion. Lock. Okay. Now right letter Y. Y is done. Right letter. Okay. You can write K. Yes, letter K. King. Kite. Okay. Kangaroo. Now letter Q.
Quail.
Quiet. Quack.
Quack.
Yes. Now letter X. X sound is X-ray. X-ray. Okay. Very good, Arav. Good job.